Hello everyone, Sanjeev Bansal, surgitopmediquip. Thank you very much for your kind support. This we are showing you the product today is the oxygen concentrator. This is a fantastic oxygen machine in 5-liter capacity. It comes thoroughly on 3 years warranty by the company. It's a very branded product of a branded company. It is having all the display over here and the nebulizer port is also there if you want to give nebulization to the patient. और इसके सारे स्पेयर्स आपको दिखा देता हूँ जो मशीन के साथ में आते हैं. ये इसका मैनुअल है, ये इसका फ़िल्टर है और ये इसका इंटरनल फ़िल्टर है. दिस इज़ द कैनुला, दिस इज़ द ह्यूमिडिफायर बॉटल और ये भी है एक और कैनुला एंड दिस इज़ द नेबुलाइजर किट. So this is the machine, complete oxygen concentrator to give oxygen therapy to the patient in the hospital or at home. If you wish to purchase this machine, you can always contact on the numbers given on the screen. And we are really selling this product a lot. It's a good quality product by a branded company. Thoroughly comes on 3 years warranty. Though we are having other oxygen machines also, they are on 1 year warranty. They are comparatively economical. But if you wish to go for this product, this is absolutely available with us. So thank you very much. This is the product which I want to show you in today's video. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay healthy.